Ahoy, sailors, and welcome back to Sailors 365.
If you're looking to make your next experience with Princess Cruises even more stress-free, then come aboard with us in today's episode as we explore the Princess Luggage Valet service. I mean, who doesn't want to be treated like royalty and sail the high seas stress-free? So, what is Princess Luggage Valet? This is a service that delivers your bags from your home to your stateroom and then back again after your cruise ends. And let me tell you, this is a game changer for anyone who hates lugging their heavy-ass luggage through airports, waiting in those long check-in lines, and the endless, never-ending wait at baggage claim. In partnership with Luggage Forward, Princess Luggage Valet ensures that your luggage is transported seamlessly and with the utmost care. Now, here's my favorite part, you don't even have to lift a finger. All you need to do is pack those heavy-ass bags, schedule a pickup date, and let the team at Princess Luggage Valet take care of the rest. Step 1. Get ready. First, you need to schedule and pack your bags. You can book your shipment online or by phone, and you'll be given several pickup dates and pricing options. And the best part? You can pack your luggage as you normally would for airline travel. No boxes or special packaging required. Step 2. Get set. Now, it's time to ship your bags. You can choose from a variety of luggage pickup options to fit your busy schedule, including doorstep pickup or local drop-off. Once your luggage is in their care, it's closely monitored by a team of shipping experts and predictive tracking technology to ensure on-time delivery. Step 3. Go. Finally, it's time to enjoy your trip. Head to the airport hands-free, skip the long check-in lines, and bypass the wait at baggage claim. Your bags will be waiting for you at your final destination, and you'll be notified via email, text, or phone. Princess Luggage Valet includes worldwide service to and from more than 170 ports. All-inclusive rates are charged at the time of your booking with no hidden fees, and on-time arrival with a complete money-back, plus a $500 guarantee. So, if you're ready to travel like a VIP and make your next vacation even more stress-free, be sure to check out Princess Luggage Valet. To book, visit www.luggageforward.com/princess or call Luggage Forward directly. From the U.S. dial 1-888-693-8229 or 1-617-482-1100 if calling from any other location around the world. Now, it's your turn. Do you think Princess Luggage Valet will make your next vacation more stress-free, or do you secretly enjoy lugging around those heavy-ass bags? Let us know in the comments section below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.